The Dow Jones and the S&P 500 are slightly in the red this Thursday as lawmakers struggle to push through new fiscal stimulus before the end of this year. Now, first, House Speaker Nancy Pelosi telling reporters this Thursday that bipartisan negotiations are leading to great progress for an additional government aid package. But Pelosi also added that both sides still debating over a liability waiver for businesses. Now, taking a look at the Forex market this morning, the euro-dollar is where we begin. That happens to see a period of a rebound. The British pound-US dollar pair, that's under pressure, while the US dollar-Japanese yen pair intraday sees the bias remain bullish. And that's in focus this morning. The pair consolidating below the resistance at 104.60 and challenging its 20-period moving average. Long positions above 104.25 are favored with targets at 104.60 and 104.75 in extension. Moving on, the Bitcoin dollar is under pressure with below 18,779, the pivot point 18,779, while in precious metals, gold is under pressure and in focus. Gold is capped by a bearish trendline and by its declining 50-period moving average. Short positions below 1852 are favored with targets at 1825 and 1815 in extension. This while silver intraday sees the downside prevail.